Hello dear student, in the exercise class we learn when the transversal is intersecting the two parallel lines, then each pair of the corresponding angles are equal. Which are the alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversals are supplementary. The sum of two interior angles on the same side of the transversals are supplementary or 180 degree. We learned that yesterday. So today we'll discuss about lines parallel to same lines. Subheading lines parallel to the same lines. Either transversal is intersecting the more than 3 or 4 parallel lines. Means what about the corresponding pair of the angles here? Now one theorem is there. Now theorem number 6.6. What it says, this theorem here, lines which are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other. Same lines are parallel to each other. What it's mean here? Now see, now yesterday you have seen the transversal is intersecting only two parallels. If we take two more parallel lines. Now see that here, one more parallel lines. If the transversal is intersecting, now here each corresponding angles are equal. What is the condition? These four lines should be a parallel. If the transversal is intersecting, means each corresponding angles are equal here. Even alternate interior angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. Then interior angles on the same side. See that these angles are on the same side. Now sum of this angle plus this angle gives you 180 degree. Similar, this plus this also gives the, not this plus and this gives the 180 degree, and the sum of this plus this one gives the 180 degree. This plus this one gives the 180 degree. Now here either the transversal is intersecting the more than two parallel lines, even also the same lines are parallel to each other. Same properties it is also gives here. I hope you understood this one. We will see the details about in the examples now. First, see the exercise number 6.2. What they given the first main for solving the unknown angles here. In a figure they given find the value of x and y. Here they given the angles, find the values of x and y, and then show that AB is parallel to CD. You have to show that AB is parallel to CD here. Clear? Now see that you will find the one by one angles here, unknown angles. Now see, AB and CD are the two lines. This is the transversal. You have to show that AB is parallel to CD. Now when you can see that say that AB is parallel to CD here, when the alternate interior angles are equal. Before this class we have seen that exams and the postulates. Now exams you have seen that now. And the two alternate interior angles are equal means these two lines are parallel. Now check it, either you get or not that alternate interior angles here now. Now see here, what about, see the diagram carefully here. Now this is the transversal, this is a which angle here? A straight angle, supplementary angle having the 180 degree. So now solution, angle 50 plus angle x is equal to how much? 180 degree. Because linear pair angle or straight angle here now. Now you write the property because linear pair angle. Clear? Now see that, find the x value here. Angle x is equal to 180 degree. 50 you have to bring on the right hand side. Now 50 having the positive sign, either comes on the right hand side means the sign will be changed, that is the minus 50 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Now this is the value of the x. Clear? Now y, see how can you find the y here now. Now see the carefully. Now this is a line and one more lines are intersecting at a point. We learn vertically opposite angles are equal. When the two lines are intersecting at a point, then their vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle y is equal to how much here? 130 degree because vertically opposite angles. Right, you have to write that. It means what is that? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is also how much here? 130 degree. This is also 130 degree. Now see this. What about these two angles here? What are the names of these pairs of the angles? Alternate interior angles. Either both are equal or there here. This is also 130. This is also 130. So either both are equal means, or that vertically opposite angles are equal means, then these two lines are parallel. Clear? Now see here. You can write here. So angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to 130 degree. Because why? This is a alternate interior angles are equal. Interior angles are equal. So what you can write here? Therefore, I do this one. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD because now angle X is equal to angle Y are the which angles here? Alternate interior angles are equal. Then you can say that AB is parallel to CD. I hope you understood this one. Now remaining example we'll see in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.